What up, YouTube? You already know what it is. What it ain't. It's your boy Della. I'm here with
Psycho Ball.
Alright, shit. Let me ask you something. I'm trying to get some hoes with you.
Y'all look like y'all got it.
I'm trying to get some more hoes with you though.
They don't turn me down, folks. Turn me up. Everybody know we getting skrilla. Everybody know where we from, this shit get realer. If I put it in my song, tell me do it, mean I dip.
What's something y'all want to tell y'all sneaky link?
Stop fucking me like that.
She don't know she wanna fuck on me or going for my niggas.
Don't let me suck that dick like that.
Wait, hold on, them perms?
Yeah.
I can dick with them in?
So spit and swallow, baby.
Damn, I like that
Don't
shit.
call me 6'9" for no reason.
But I ain't tripping, do myself a favor. Let my mans hit her. How the fuck she gon' respect me? She ain't got no father figure. Put it down like Ashton Jackson, but I ain't no hillbilly.
Driving that bitch like that, all loud and fast and giggly and shit. But nigga, we got them bitches back. Like, yeah, bitches, baby them. Yeah, bitch. Hold on, fuck that shit. Bootylicious, nigga. This shit look crazy as fuck. Where we got that motherfucker Jenna Clearing? I'm calling that bitch Jenna Clearing the whole time. G8 in here, you talking about? Bruh. Everybody wearing blue today, bro. Yeah, you got on tight. You put them niggas. What? What up? What up, nigga? What up, nigga? Hold on, nigga. What you mean? What up, nigga? What up, nigga? What up, nigga? Oh, alright. Old dog in that bitch. Oh yeah. What's up, little LTV? We on that bitch, you know what I'm saying? Who that is? Oh god. Hey baby, you looking for me, baby? Hey baby. Hey baby, you looking for me, baby? Hey look, we got real slide toys. Hey, who that is? Who that is? Hey baby, you looking for me, baby? Hey baby, you looking for me, baby? Hey baby, you looking for me, baby? Hey look, turn around. Whoa. I gotta turn around. Whoa, what did you just say there? Hey, turn around. Them hoes ain't got it. Fine, baby. Both of y'all. God damn. Hey, look, check me out. Y'all look good as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, this shit fun as fuck. How you get that without making me fun? No. Bro, that say, come here.
I'm taking out my hand. I wasn't need.
Come here.
She like girl.
Oh, she like girl. I got a friend. I got a friend for your ass.
It's a girl?
No, you don't like no girls. Don't even do all that.
Oh, I'm very gay.
I got a home girl. I got a home girl. Take out Instagram.
We live on the beach side. Where y'all from? I ain't from here. Where y'all from?
Orlando.
Y'all finna hold up. Oh, he's from my city.
Hey, pick up the phone. Alright.
Nah, we gon' see.
Alright.
What you was on YouTube?
Yeah. Alright. That hoe is bubblish. You better, bro. You real ass up. I just wanted to come over here and just say what up real quick, cause this shit a little hard when we jump out of traffic.
I'm calling my Mario.
I'm gonna call your mama.
What happened?
Hold to it, look, hold to it. I just need to get y'all niggas on camera real quick, doing all this fire ass shit, jumping out the car in public, you know what I'm saying? Let down the window back here. Bitch, what up? Talk that shit real quick. You ain't drunk?
We on Lil Dev TV, you know what I'm saying?
Come on now.
I'm saying, live in Daytona, feel me? The weather's feeling good, eyes are clear, you know what I'm saying? We out here right now trying to find parking. Feel me?
Got the buns out, funds out, sun out.
Spitters at the hoes though.
All that.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, gee, this shit look raw as fuck, Jay Bleezy. You better put that weed away, the police gonna take you to jail, ho. Nigga, that shit look raw.
I just graduated, I want a cougar. No paparazzi.
Brandon, I brought them niggas out. Yeah, brought that chest out. Bird, big chicken. Let me see you drop a rake real quick.
Chicken. Oh,
green ass nigga.
We throw up forks, man.
Nah, FVG DZ.
Hey, yo,
Yeah. Look how shit looking. Got that other motherfucker down there. Hey, what up? You ready?
You know what?
Feel
Gotta
shit.
put my teeth in.
Put your teeth in.
you got your shit on you.
My what?
Bro, tell me
gun?
the procedure,
It's in the
bro.
backpack.
What's the procedure?
What you mean?
To slim up, you know what I'm saying?
Gotta do powder, bro.
Whoa.
That what Dale did?
Yeah, you ain't telling
I
about
just
you.
smoke weed.
But he did powder, bro.
Just smoke weed.
Crush up them perks and
Never.
juice, bro. Yeah, that's what. Hey, you told me.
Never. Oh, you watch that bitch?
Rest in peace, not yet. No.
You do whatever the fuck you want when you pop it.
Got some shit that made that big burn.
Boy, hell no. Every time I got some shit that make it burn slow. Nobody want that glass paper ass shit. All that blunt, that sweet ass shit.
sweet. Nigga, this shit making wood. This shit made these bitches burst last day, but we was smoking one blunt for like an hour. You mean slow, nigga? You mean slow?
Yeah, I bought them D-block steppers out this bitch. Let me stop.
I'll give it half 30.
What? Hey.
First of all.
Hey, hey. Where y'all wanna cross it?
I got a bitch. Hold that.
Damn, motherfucker. Right, you too goddamn old to be saying shit like that.
What you said?
I got a piss.
PP. What I like with these slides on, look, these bitches look big as fuck.
Whoa, I forgot you got them bitches.
They look big.
Nah,
Nah, I ain't sliding all the way up.
he not gonna slide them bitches all the way up. What time it is, Dev? Had you in traffic earlier.
We're high right now, man. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? I'm just enjoying the fun. You feel me? Daytona, we out here.
This nigga smoking plastic? Yeah, he smoke plastic now. He talking about me doing, he do rocks.
Nigga, my shit, but it's a rolling paper,
I
nigga.
do rocks and he do, damn. She moved it, man. Yeah, baby. What's your name? What's your name? Come be on my vlog. Come be on my vlog, baby. What's your name?
This is my Instagram.
What's your Instagram, baby? What's your name?
Terry.
Where you from?
I'm from Texas.
Came down here to fuck with us?
Who is y'all?
Good ass. Tell your friend she can come too. Motion boys.
Nigga, Raylan got my damn chain, my other chain.
Nigga, why?
I'm trying to figure out where y'all get this chain.
Hey, stop it.
Nah, bitch, don't do it.
Y'all don't even trying to connect hoes with all this more shit. Jay Black.
Yeah, fuck you.
You out here, you can't swim?
Nah, I said we got niggas with us that can't swim. I know more. It's more than one. We ain't gonna say no name.
Can't swim.
Nigga rat can't swim. Of course. Right,
You can't swim?
Hell no, I can't swim.
Why the fuck we brought you to the beach?
21 years old. Can't swim. Look how big this nigga is.
But you can't swim?
Oh no, he's swimming pools full of liquor. You heard Kendrick.
Dive, man. What the fuck, P at? Yeah, alright, nigga. Why with that shit on, nigga? What up? What is? Shit, I'm trying to get. What up, PJ? You want to get a public interview in?
Yeah, what's up?
I'm asking these hoes, what's something they want to tell they sneaky link? You know what I'm saying? Would you snitch on your homeboy or cheat on your girl?
Bitch on my homeboy. Man, I'm already cheating on that motherfucker. I'm already cheating on her, so shit, you already know what the answer is.
What are you to be already? Hey, look. I got a question. What's something y'all want to tell y'all sneaky link?
Stop fucking me like that. Don't let me suck that dick like that.
Wait, hold on, them perms?
Yeah.
Fucking dick with them in?
So spit and swallow, baby.
Hey, that
That's
shit.
6'9" for no reason.
Oh.
Hello.
Mellow.
How about what, shorty?
Shit, find me one. Where you at?
I be a sneaky link. I be a sneaky link.
I want all my niggas to know this summer. All y'all gonna know I'm fuck with all y'all. Hello. All y'all gonna be giving me money, eating this ass, this pussy. All summer long, 2020. I got the drawers on.
We suck, spit, and swallow tonight. We ain't spend shit. Cancel season, bitch. July season.
Show that motherfucker one more time. Show that motherfucker one more time. What up, YouTube? You already know what it is. What it is. Beach Day 2022. And I'm here with Alright, look, Shantae, I got a question. What's something you gotta tell your sneaky link? What's the message you'll send to your sneaky link? Or somebody you messing with right now?
Let's fuck one more time.
Whoa, you said what?
Let's fuck one more time.
Yeah, drop the name. Drop the name. Shantae, you already know what it is. What it ain't. We on. Hey, we finna get this shit poppin'. Let's go. You next?
Yeah, I'm next.
What up? Y'all wanna do a marry, fuck, kill? What the shit up?
let's get
Y'all niggas look like twins for some
brother.
odd reason. That's your little brother.
Yeah.
It's more like a twin brother. What up, YouTube? You already know what it is. What it ain't. It's your boy Dylan. I'm back with another video. Who this is?
Kim. Hey, love. China. Hi, you hoe.
Alright, look. PJ, slide. Now look, what y'all rate my boy on the scale of 1 to 10?
Well, I'm the A-side ratio.
He break the scale.
Soul out of him. Suck the soul out of him.
I'll take her soul.
Then sing you her sister, she gay. You will suck my boy soul even though he got a lady. Alright. So basically just fuck with her when you single. Player. What you want to tell your sneaky link?
I love him and thank you for sneaking with me.
You rate my boy on a scale of 1 to 10 real quick?
Yeah, boy.
Hey,
A 9.
a what?
9.
Rate my boy.
9.
9?
He cute. Ty, and he on, so 10.
Alright. Can I ask y'all to rate me and him too?
Yeah, he doing it okay.
Alright.
In the cut.
That fun nigga, let's look at that fun nigga posing. It's rate him too.
Oh, he's so cute too. Yeah. I'm cute too. He's pretty.
All y'all fine. Who twins?
Yeah, them twins. Them twins, you can have both of them.
Come up here and put,
Come on, why you want to be in it? That nigga not gonna beat you up.
I'm a lesbian. That ain't got
We got sisters. For real, thank y'all for being in my video though. Appreciate it. What up, YouTube? You already know what it is. What it I'm here with. What's something you want to tell your sneaky link?
Fuck you, bitch. Got me fucked up. You see me today, bitch, and you ain't speak, bitch.
You seen him and he ain't speak. You gonna let him fuck? Yeah.
No, I don't want you.
Lying.
His ass.
What's your sign?
I'm a Gemini. Oh shit, you ain't no fucking Gemini. Fuck you, bitch.
If you wanna fuck me though.
I don't like you.
You said yo what?
Daddy.
You don't even look like you got no kids. Rate my homeboy on a scale of 1 to 10.
You look like my little brother.
Show that shit real quick. That nigga got 10 rings on. All his fingers for some odd reason. P, where was you at when I was getting all them hoes in my video?
When nigga, I was over there talking to Raymond.
What she said, my name?
Talking and shit.
Alright, look. What's something freaky you want to tell your sneaker link?
What you mean?
Or a message you want to tell them?
What does that mean?
Like something you want to tell them, like
Ask her first. I ain't got no secret thing.
You ain't got no sneaker link? None of y'all got no sneaker link? Y'all like them fine ass white girls that's black. Like I like that shit. That shit mixed. Like y'all mixed. Y'all mixed. Y'all ain't mixed like Puerto Rican or nothing.
Yeah. Actually, can you test my number? Why is it green? Tell me if you got it.
That's you?
Yeah, that's me.
Alright, I got you.
Alright.
What's up? Y'all been in a public interview?
That bitch P said she got a big ass gap. What up? My boy right here, right here. On a scale of 1 to 10. 4. How you gonna rate him a 4? My nigga at least a solid 9. Solid 9, no homo, no gay shit.
Solid 9, no homo, no gay shit.
Yeah, 9. Say my nigga 9.
Your nigga said you.
No.
Hey. I'm hungover as fuck.
You hungover? You finna throw up?
I can walk you to your car.
Yeah, let my boy walk into your car. You gonna be safe. She hungover. She ain't in the mood. She ain't fucking with it. It's hot. Yeah, for real. She need to take her hot ass home. Y'all feel like you going D1 for real. How tall is you, bro?
I'm 6'3".
You play football and shit?
Yeah.
Who you play for?
Nose guard, West Oaks, from the transfer to Okava.
Why the fuck would you transfer to Wakava?
Motion, big. I can't go to no school like, oh, that's gonna take too much, you feel me?
Alright.
I just need, you feel me, that exposure. That's it.
Yeah, don't go to Jones. They be lying to niggas about having scholarships and shit. Look at that for nigga Javian. My nigga, tuck your dick in.
Oh, I done left the stack in the car.
Why you ain't get in the video yet? Come on.
I'm just chilling, bro.
You must got lady.
That too, but you know.
Alright, I understand. Hey, look, she came back. Look.
Hold on, let me do the dab. Well, I ain't doing no I'm a whip and dab.
Alright.
Pipe it up.
Hit that hole.
I'm gonna bring it back down.
Yeah.
And let me tell y'all, we had some Patron and some Hennessy.
You fucked up.
I'm checking out this bitch.
Y'all can make a fool out of me.
I'm not, I promise. I promise.
No, for real.
I swear, I'll tell you the question.
No. Don't even tell me questions because I don't know.
You know the answer, I promise.
No, swear to God. And I'm not gonna see myself on YouTube looking like a fool.
You not? You gonna punch me? Damn.
That's embarrassing.
Oh my soul.
This shit going on the tube.
Yeah, go eat. Come on. You don't want to eat? Can I get you to be in my video? In the video. Come on. No. What you need? What you need him to do? I need her to tell me something. You got the spine tattoo. Come on. That shit sexy.
And you got,
I don't know if you know.
that look like birth control. So you had to
know
be
you
doing
nasty.
some shit. Them lights on. That's birth control. So you doing some sneaky link shit.
For real.
What's that? That's some patches. Warrior. You're a warrior.
Niggas love attention, man. When I mean niggas, I don't mean us. I mean niggas. You mind being in the video? Please? You look good.
I don't do that because I don't want to tell you
You don't like younger boys? I understand. Yellow.
I don't like red boys.
What's wrong with red boys?
Ain't nothing wrong with them. I just that ain't my preference.
She said, I don't do yellow boy. On a scale of 1 to 10, rate my homeboy right here. Yeah, you see how the fuck he looking? Don't be playing.
I said 9. I'm an 8.
8? Okay. Look, tell me a secret that y'all will tell y'all sneaky link, or something that y'all want to tell y'all sneaky link.
I miss you, Pony. I love the fuck out you, boy.
For real, let my boy be y'all new sneaky link. Stop playing. Hey, look.
Right, who?
Him.
You and mine too.
Nah.
Y'all handsome. Yeah, y'all is.
Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. I've been getting turned down a lot because I'm yellow and shit. Like I'm bright skinned. But like, you like red niggas? I appreciate you. I appreciate you for liking red niggas. I really appreciate you for liking red niggas. Cause I'm trying to bring red niggas back in style. Bored? A bitch ain't finna be bored. Ain't that's what females say?
I may be a bored ass bitch.
Nah, you don't even look boring.
I don't.
Let me stop. Y'all nasty. I appreciate y'all for being in my video though.
Y'all follow me on Instagram at Nyasia, NYASYAAA. Daytona Beach, Lando, yeah.
What's up? My babe, we at Daytona. All that hanging out all in.
Yeah, let's do that. Hold on, I ain't gonna put you on here. I like your accent though. Where you from? Haiti. Okay. Y'all from Haiti? Alright, look. You from Haiti?
I am.
Oh shit, it's a motherfucking bird. Hey boy, it's a dead ass bird. Don't pet that motherfucker, girl. Oh shit. You the real golden boy count up. The chicken girl. You the chicken woman.
I ain't here as fuck. I hope y'all ain't no busting no fire.
You said I ain't got no fun.
Y'all scared.
What you gonna do if that bitch climb out your hand and slither in your ass? What's something you would tell your sneaky link?
tell your what? You gonna tell your what?
I don't got shit tell sneaky link.
I don't got one.
You cheat on your girl or snitch on your homeboy? Which one?
I cheat on my girl.
Cheating on your girl or snitching on your homeboy?
I cheat on my bitch.
Kill your snake or snitch on your homeboy?
I kill this bitch.
Alright, that bitch got ears.
What up, YouTube? You already know what it is. What it is, your boy Dylan. I'm here with
Psycho ball.
What cut those bill at?
Out there cutting shit up.
Alright, shit. Let me ask you something. Cheat on your bill or snitch on your homeboy?
Cheat on my bitch.
You gonna do that regardless?
I'm there regardless.
Alright, how many hoes you got?
I don't know. I'm gonna be honest. I don't even count them. I just add on.
You just add them up. I can't get no hoes. I'm trying to get some hoes with you.
Folsom.
All my hoes. Y'all look like y'all got it.
I'm trying to get some more hoes with you though.
We can run threesome and a thing.
You sight. You sight. You sight. Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
Fuck these hoes.
You sight. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Hey, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come on, baby. It's sight, baby. You tripping? Jeez. That's sight, baby.
There it is.
Dumb asshole.
They don't got ears. They can't hear shit. They deaf.
Damn, how the fuck you know that?
I be looking up videos and shit.
How old y'all is though? How old are you? They on your speed. Go over there. You see how that bitch holding his hands? That mean business. Y'all from Polk County.
I got my dog right behind me. Stay down there.
Ain't nobody behind you.
Oh, no.
Why you don't want us here? Not us. Why y'all don't want everybody out here?
It's not like that at all.
So why y'all over here watching that?
Well, I mean, EMT as well.
Oh, you an EMT?
Yeah.
Oh, my fault. I thought you was the police.
So if there's any trouble, I gotta respond to it. Somebody's drowning, I gotta respond to it.
Ain't nobody gonna drown out here. They ain't even getting in the water.
I promise you, we get 5. Normally this weekend, Memorial Day weekend, at least 5 drownings in the span of the weekend. At least 5.
God damn.
Yeah.
Alright, I thought y'all ain't want a nigga. Y'all posted that shit on Instagram. Say y'all don't fuck with a nigga. Fuck with your boy. Yeah, they better let me in. Hey, what up? Come on.
Bro,
no, we all with the school, bro.
We all with the Jones too.
Yeah. This my nigga's a famous dancer.
I know, bro.
Because he's a Scorpio.
Yeah. You just hit my blunt. What's your name?
I'm Justin.
You what?
I'm Justin.
Nice to meet you, Justin. You are now a nigga. You are now a nigga. You gang now, Justin. Hey, on gang. Don't get Justin hot, this bitch. Just up to get your ass fired.
You gonna get fired for smoking?
Nah.
You post that. We don't want you to get fired.
Justin, I'm posting this bitch, so either way. Tell him what up. Tell him what up. It's YouTube.
Hey, what's up, man?
You ever hung with niggas before?
That bitch came out. Not really.
You better answer that right now, Justin.
Not really.
Alright. You wanna hang with the Motion Boy?
Sure.
Motion Boy Justin alright? Alright, my nigga? Motion Boy Justin For real, nigga. I'm for real, Justin. I'm for real now. Screenshot that bitch. Might be it's too many people out here, Justin. Look, you see all these niggas? It's gang. For real, you refer to him as Big Soldier Lee Lucas. That's that general. That's that big general. You like them hoes? Yeah. You wanna talk to one?
Damn, what the fuck?
I do, but I don't have to work.
You like them hoes? You like white hoes?
I like them all.
You like black hoes?
There's pretty ass bitches out here, bro.
For real. Nah, for real. How many hoes you done came up on?
Man, I ain't trying to fuck up these hoes.
Hey, that nigga cool as fuck. Hey, white boy Justin, cool as fuck. What up? He with us? He with us?
Yeah, nigga.
Lord have mercy. You so fine. You on break. They don't even know who I am. They don't even know who I am, I promise you. I'm telling you. Your lady do not watch this. Your lady do not watch this. Don't let him lie to you. Your lady watch this shit?
I'm single.
You single? You sure? He gonna ask me to edit this shit later.
I'm single too. I'm ready to do it right now.
Oh, you ready to do it?
At the beach.
Hey, look, when you go home, this shit gonna be uploaded by the time you go home.
I know.
What up, you single too?
I'm single, so that mean I do what I want.
I'm telling your brother you out here being grown.
I'm
grown. Y'all shout yourselves out. You don't want to be on camera?
Oh, no, sir.
Damn, why your friends don't like me? I did something to them?
No.
You sure?
They just camera shy.
Oh, okay. Oh, she had that ass. My fault. You looked. I'm telling your brother. You out here being grown. He was being a bitch. I told him to come, but he didn't want to chaperone you. He didn't want you to come out here. He didn't want to see you out here shining.
I'm sober.
You out here glowing. You're not sober. You're fucked. You didn't even know who I was when I called you.
That's because I can't see. I wear glasses.
Alright, whatever. But nah, thank you for being in my video.
Follow me on Instagram, 2_.ce.ce. We at Daytona, you know what it is.
I seen Slight Snipe. What's the name?
Yikes, Snipe.
Slight Snipe. Today. Hey. Slight keep rolling up on us, so I can't see the camera. But yo,
Pull up, let's race.
Keely can't drive. gas money? Yo, they talking about gas money. You not even in the car, this nigga talking about gas money. I hate Haitian.
Ain't you Haitian?
Old bitch, deleting the pictures and block you on Insta. Tell you the truth, don't know why I hit you. Man, it had to be them G's, Lord knows I was tripping. One thing I hate is a liar. Bitch try to play when I be smoking on Maya. Said you a ride, guess you need a new tire. Bitch, the pack, we keep shouting down the shit too fire. I be